Apple. Apple, apple. I eat an apple every day. Ball. Ball, ball. The ball is round and bouncy. Cat. Cat, cat. The cat is sleeping on the couch. Dog. Dog, dog. The dog is barking loudly. Elephant. Elephant, elephant. The elephant has a long trunk. Fish. Fish, fish. The fish swims in the aquarium. Giraffe. Giraffe, giraffe. The giraffe has a long neck. House. House, house. Our house is painted blue. Ice cream. Ice-cream, ice cream. I love chocolate ice cream. Juice. Juice, juice. She drinks orange juice for breakfast. Kite. Kite, kite. We flew the kite at the park. Lion. Lion, lion. The lion is the king of the jungle. Moon. Moon, moon. The moon shines brightly at night. Nest. Nest, nest. The bird built a nest in the tree. Orange. Orange, orange. I peeled an orange for a snack. Pencil. Pencil, pencil. I write with a pencil in my notebook. Queen. Queen, queen. The queen lives in a palace. Rainbow. Rainbow, rainbow. A rainbow appeared after the rain. Sun. 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 The sun rises in the east. Tree. 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 The tree has many green leaves. Umbrella. Umbrella, umbrella. I use an umbrella when it rains. Violin. Violin, violin. She plays the violin beautifully. Whale. Whale, whale. The whale swam gracefully in the ocean. Xylophone. Xylophone, xylophone. He loves playing the xylophone. Yogurt. Yogurt, yogurt. I like to eat yogurt with honey and fruits. Zebra. C-E-B-R-A, zebra. The zebra has black and white stripes.